All right, folks. So the second fender flare is done on the car, and it's been blocked out and whatnot. So I'm starting to get around on the rear end. So the side, everything has been done on both sides except for the center. Wing has been done. I haven't actually worked on the actual rear of the car, but I'm going to segue up here to the side skirt, or side scoop if you want to call it, whatever. But this is basically my secret sauce of fabricating. That's the tar paper I was telling you about, which is actually underneath that fender flare. Usually I'll come back over and I will probably come back over this with some fiberglass to strengthen it. This one I just used Bondo. I've never done it this way before. I kind of liked it. I was able to get done a lot sooner. And I'm always just mixing stuff up. But anyway, I will do fiberglass down there and line that up. But both sides are done. This is basically an illusion in that I basically created the illusion of a lip, but the wheel is not actually extended beyond the actual fender. It's literally going to be right in line with the fender, but I just segued this up to give it, like I said, the illusion that there is a fender lip and maybe the fender is way back here. And actually kind of like how they came out, because when I did put the 3 inches on here, it just made the car just ridiculously wide and not functional at all. So I'm still not happy with the width, but it is what it is. I'm gonna keep moving forward, and that's it. So it is actually wider than an Aventador, but probably like an Aventador with a, I don't know, Liberty Walk style fender on it, which would make it like 86 inches or something like that. I'm like 87. I'm pretty wide. Admittedly, I am pretty wide. But at this point, it is what it is. I can make it more narrow if for the next project, maybe for the 2-seater. Right now I'm a 3-seater, and I think it'll be a cool trade-off. If I get this one done, I think it'll be easier to do a second, but it'll be the option. But anyway, next video should include me having finished the side skirt and probably working my way. Nope, I'm gonna do the door. But yeah, I'm gonna get the whole car sewed up and then work my way into the middle, get the roof line right, and then the final touch is probably just maybe the scoop that goes on top, if I decide to do that. But anyway, so the fender flares are done on both sides, and the wing has been done, and it, as you know, works. That's it.